just wanted to show you something that I don't see very often. But when I do see it, it's in this part of Louisville. And so I wasn't completely surprised, but something to consider, kind of especially if you're in the south end of Louisville, kind of the I-65, Gene Snyder area. We see it pretty regularly. We've got an ITE electrical panel here, but it's more about the wires that are inside. So let me show you. All right, so if you'll take a look here, you can see the aluminum wiring that they use in this house. And this house was built in 1973, and it kind of fits right in there in that window where they were utilizing aluminum wiring. So if you're looking for it and you're kind of down this area and you want to know, that's what it looks like. All right, so I don't see it very often. I really don't. But whenever we do see it, the recommendation we make is to get a licensed electrician to look the property over and make sure that there aren't any issues that that we can't discover in a regular home inspection. So it's safe to say that, you know, a lot of these home